4B. Expenditure pattern. The table given below contains data on expenditure observed in a sample survey. So mainly 4 variables: income, expenditure, family size, and family type. Type means nuclear or joint. Okay, so there are 30 families. Data is given. We need to put it on Excel, and the first question is calculate mean, median, mode of income and expenditure. So we'll go to Excel sheet where it's already copied, and we need to calculate mean, median, and mode of income and expenditure. So first we'll calculate for income. So mean, we use the function average. So the range of income selected, close the bracket here, enter. And median, again the function is median. Take the range completely, close bracket, enter. Mode function is mode only, last one. Take income range completely, close the bracket, enter. Now we can copy, since expenditure is just one cell right to income, here also it is one cell right to income. So if I copy, it will automatically work. Okay, so we have got all the information on income and expenditure, the different averages. If you want, we can format also with that number of decimal parts. We will choose number format with 2 digits, and here we'll have everything exact. Now we are asked to calculate the mean saving. So we need to calculate the saving of each family. So saving is nothing but income minus expenditure. So I'm going to use a formula. Formula should start with equal to sign. Income is selected minus, click on the expenditure of the first family, enter it. And then copy it down for all the subsequent cells, because it will work on the concept of relative cell references. And here I have to calculate the mean saving. So average, come here, select this one completely, close the bracket. So that's also over. We can make it bold. Okay. Then the third question is correlation between income and expenditure. So click here. The function name is Correl, C-O-R-R-E-L. Double click. Array 1 is income. Select that, comma. Array 2 is expenditure. Move by the sliding bar. Close the bracket. Enter. So it shows 0.99. We'll just format with the number of size, 2 digits after decimal point. It is a very high correlation we can find. Now, the fourth question is mean size of joint family and mean size of nuclear family. So condition, so that means average if I have to use. Range criteria and average range. So first of all, family type, and then criteria. So at present, which one we want first? Okay, joint family. So within double quotes J and comma and family size, we need to choose that column that is here. Close the bracket. Enter. Similarly, for nuclear family, average if family type within double quotes nuclear and family type, family size is here from here to the last here. Close the bracket. Enter. So again here, better format it as number with 2 digits after decimal point. Okay, we'll opt for the central arrangement. Next question, obtain the mean income of families with size less than or equal to 4. So average if range criteria. So families with size less than or equal to 4. So family size is the range. Criteria will be less than or equal to 4, but it should be within quotes. Less than or equal to. Just 1 minute. Less than or equal to. Should be within quotes, comma. And mean, what's the question? Mean income. Okay, so come back here, income column. Close the bracket, enter it. Something went wrong, just 1 minute. D2. Okay, here something is wrong. We did not enter the 4, I'll enter 4. Let me check whether it's working. Yeah, the answer have come. So this also will format into numbers with 2 decimal places after decimal point. Now the question number 6, bar diagram of family size. So for each one of the numbers, you need to count the frequency. Just as I have explained in the previous question, you can repeat it and complete. I'll go to question number 7. Bivariate frequency table with family size and family type. This is the first time we are coming across this one. So family size I have taken on the left side. Family type I have taken on the. So here in this cell, I need to enter how many families are there from the joint type having size 3. So to count that, I have to use COUNTIF function. COUNTIFs, to COUNTIFs. So first, family size. So criteria range family size, what? That is here in this column. Select that. Put a comma here. And family size is equal to 3, but 61, that is B61. So I'll write here B61, comma. And now family type I have to choose. Select this column completely. Put a comma there. And which is the first column? Joined. So within double quotes J. Put the bracket. Enter. Now, both the ranges which we have selected should be made into absolute cell reference. Otherwise, when we copy, the range will change. So I will make them into absolute cell reference. Now, for this particular size, joint is fixed, but the family sizes should vary, so I can copy it down. One more. Now I will copy this to the right side. The ranges are fixed, it will not change, but this has become C61, it should be B. And this should be nuclear. So enter it. Now copy it down, you will get the full table. Okay. So the next question, does the hypothesis that per person expenditure of joint family is lesser than per person expenditure of nuclear family? First thing what you have to do is go back to the data and calculate per person expenditure. So here how do you calculate? Total expenditure divided by family size, that is per person expenditure. So calculate it for every family. One more, okay? Now after that, filter this into joint and nuclear families. So we can go to this filter, click filter, and in a family type, specifically select only joint and copy this and paste it down. And then go back, select here nuclear family, close this one and copy this, go back and paste it here. Now the question, we will read it again. Does the hypothesis that per person expenditure of joint family is lesser than that of per person expenditure of nuclear family? So comparison between two sets of people, joint family and nuclear family. So we need to apply the t-test. So come to this and t-test assuming unequal variances. So range 1, okay, here it is, per person expenditure of, this is joint family, given. Then go to the next, this is the next one, for nuclear family, that's also given. The differences between them, take it as 0, mu1 is equal to mu2. And on a new worksheet, we'll get the output. Let us see that. So here are the output of both of this test. T-value, it is this, not very big, of course, minus 1.9. So one is better than the other, that is one-tailed test. So the corresponding probability is 0.03, meaning it is lesser than 0.05. It falls in the region of rejection. The null hypothesis is rejected and the alternative is accepted. That means we will conclude it this way. The per person expenditure of joint family is lesser than the per person expenditure of nuclear family. So this completes this exercise.